Hey everyone, my name's Haley New. I'm going to show you a quick and easy and free tutorial on how to remove background from any image. Kind of like on my profile picture here. So I'll walk you through it with another photo. So all you have to do is find a picture that you want to remove the background from. So let's say this one here on my graduation photo. So you'll just right click the image, save as, grad, and I like to save it to my desktop so I can find it really easy. Now that you've got your picture, all that you're going to do is go to this website. It is called remove.bg. You don't have to have the upload on there. You'll go up here to where it says upload image. I'm just going to go to my desktop, grab the photo, so it's just my graduation picture, to open it. It just takes a second and then it will automatically remove the background and make the image pop out with the background just transparent so you can put it on any background. If you wanted to edit it, you can use any of these pre-selected backgrounds, of course, which obviously don't want to use, but just for the purposes of the video, you can see that there are multiple applications. You can also go to color and do just a solid color or a white background. But for this purpose, let's say I wanted a transparent background so that I could put it onto a graduation invitation or something to that extent. So all you're going to do is just click download the image, and I'm going to go ahead and again just change this so it saves to my desktop, and I'll keep the name just so that I know this is the one where the background was removed. So save that, and that's it. That's how you remove it. Now for anybody that wants to see how you might apply something like that, you could do a profile picture, or like I said, an invitation or a post, whatever you want it to be. So this website is called Canva. So let's just, for example, here I'm going to go to templates. Just say I'm making an invitation. And graduation invitations. So I'll just scroll down. Let's just pick one. This one. Yes, I want to use this template. Okay, so what I'm going to do over here on the left side, just go to uploads, upload media, device. It just means your computer. You're going to go to, what was it? This one, grad, remove background. Okay, so you can see that it removed the background from the image. Open. Okay, so over here it's uploading. And I'm just going to delete this girl. Here's some other artwork of mine that I've uploaded as another example of my son, which I can show you in a second. So just drag this over here, pop it in, and boom. Make yourself a little invite or whatever you want it to be. Say if I wanted to make something fun for my son's birthday. He loves Sonic. This is actually him on his birthday. I got him some Sonic rings and some Sonic shoes. And you can tell he's really excited. So you can just pop that image in right there. So again, I've removed the background so I couldn't put it on any background that I want. And these were some drawings that I did for his birthday also. And I did the same thing. I just took a picture of him and then removed the background so that it was clean. And I can just put it in on any background. And now he's got his little Paper Mario friends here coming along with him. So this is Paper Mario and Olivia from the new Origami King on the Nintendo Switch. Well, you know, something like that. Of course, you can make it a lot better, but that just gives you an example of another way that you can use it. Download it. And this is just an extra step. You don't even have to do this, but just wanted to show you what it looks like on different backgrounds. And again, you just see it just downloaded right here. And this is what it looks like. And then I can just, if I want to save it to my desktop to make it easier, just put Benny's B-Day and save. And now it's his invitation. And again, you can edit it and do just a lot of different things that are quite fun. I hope that you guys found this video really helpful and easy and quick. And please like and subscribe if you found this useful. Thank you.